Okay, cool. So that's 2017 and 2018, both back tested. 2017 was 100% win rate. 2018, I think, was it 50? Just 50% win rate, but the pips profit was still there. 550 pips profit. And 2017 was 1600. Obviously, 2018 we also missed out on two big trends because I didn't want to risk it, and it kind of backfired. So yeah. Anyway, we're going into 2019, and we're backtest the whole system this year as well. Okay, so let's get going. So nothing happening here. Still nothing. Possibly an entry now. Okay. So on this candlestick here, on the 8th of the 1st, 2018, is a long, and our stop loss would be 160 pips away, and our take profit 110, 200, and the third remaining trade, we will have no take profit. So we're entering a long. It's a nice first day. Cool. Let's just see how far that got. 175. Okay, so we would have hit take profit 1 of 100 pips. We would have moved our stop loss to break even, and then on this big FU candle, long candle, that we was hit our break even. So that's a plus of 100 pips for that trade. Okay, and again, I won't tell you why on this video, but take our training course and I will show you why I entered this trade. But I would have gone long. Stop loss at 185 or 190 pips away. Take profit at 120 and 200. And obviously trade number 3, waiting for our exit indicator to tell us. Okay, we're going through. Oh, sorry. Okay, on this candlestick here, the 5th of the 2nd, 18, it is a short. Our stop loss would be 150 pips away, take profit of 200 and 100 pips, and also one remaining trade left open till the exit indicator tells us to leave. So we're in this trade. Let's see how many pips that is. Okay, there is the 100 pip take profit. So take profit 1 of 100 pips, hit, move stop loss to break even, and wait for take profit 2 and exit indicator to tell us to leave. Okay, so take profit 2 wasn't just hit, exit indicator told us to leave at 30 pips profit. Okay, another entry here, going long on the 20th of the 2nd. And stop loss 150 pips, take profit 100 and 200, and number 3 take profit until the exit indicator tells us to leave. So we're in. It's a good trade. Let's take profit 1 and 2 hit. So now just waiting for our exit indicator to tell us to leave, and it was on this candlestick here. It's another 150 pips. So on that trade alone, was 450 pips profit. Nothing happening for a while. Okay, and I've just got a trade signal on this candlestick here. On the 19th of the 4th. I'm going short, and my stop loss is 160 pips away. No, it's not, sorry, it's 120 pips away. Didn't need the stop loss. I'm sure I've hit take profits. I did hit take profit 1, 80 pips, because my ATR was just under 80, so take profit would have been 80. I've hit that, moved my break even, moved my stop loss to break even, so where I entered, and letting this trade run now. Okay, and I would have been out at the end of this day. Would have taken out my break even stop loss, so that one was just a plus of 80 pips. Okay, so far in 2018 we've had 4 trades, all winners. Okay, and we're straight in again on another one. This candlestick here, the 2nd of May. We're going long. Our stop loss is 90 pips away. And our take profit was obviously just 60. We hit that in day 1 and 2. At day 1 we hit take profit 1 and 2, so 60 plus 120. And now we're just waiting for our exit indicator to tell us to leave, which it has done. And that would have been on break even. So there is just 180 pips profit. Again, trade number 5 and a winner. So 100% so far for a 2018. Got another trade signal. This candlestick here on the 14th of the 5th. We're going short. Stop loss 140 pips again. Take profit, sorry, I didn't tell you, take profit at 85 and 160. And that's good. I like that. I like that a lot. So that's hit both take profit, so 80 and 160. And now obviously we're waiting for our exit indicator to tell us to leave, which is now. And that was even if we say 220 pips, it was a bit more than that. Okay, so for that trade, we have 460 pips profit for one trade alone. And that is 6 winners out of 6 for 2019 so far. Okay, and we could be in for a trade now on the 7th of the 6th, 2019. We're going long. ATR is 76, so stop loss would be 110. Take profit of 75 and 150. Let's just check how many pips that went down. Okay, that's fine. It didn't hit our stop loss there, but it did there. Okay, so that is a loss of, what was we in? A loss of 120 pips. So there's our first loser of the year of 2019 for this currency pair. This may be too far gone. Yeah, that's too far gone for me. I wouldn't have entered that trade. Quite glad not to as well. Okay, nothing going on until this candle here. All indicators agree, but price is too far in the trend for me. Again, take the training course and it will all be explained as to why. No trade for me. Would have missed out on a few pips. Okay, and still nothing. Okay, still nothing. Still nothing. Okay, here we've got another trading signal. The 26th of the 9th. We're going short. 155 stop loss. 110 take profit and 200 take profit. Did that hit it? Yeah, it would have. So take profit 1 was hit. Take profit 1 was hit. You would have moved to break even, and then your break even stop loss where you entered would have been hit. So you'd have been out at plus 105 pips. Okay. Whoa, missed it. Okay, I've got the signal now. For me, like I've said before, it's too far gone in the trend. I would have left that one. Missed out on quite a few pips again. Okay, this is a signal to go short. On the 7th of the 11th. We're going short. Our stop loss is 140 pips away. I'll take profit at 85 and 170. Okay, and that's a loser. Our exit indicators told us to leave at 120 minus, so a loss of 120 pips. Okay, all indicators finally agreed on this candlestick here. The 4th of the 12th, 2019. And our stop loss would be 120 pips away. Take profit of 80 and 160. And obviously one remaining trade left open until our exit indicator tells us to leave. Okay, so there you go for short. Take profit 1 and 2 would have been hit. So there's 80 plus 160 plus our exit indicator has told us to leave on this candlestick here. So there to there, it's 340 pips. I'm going to say 330 because that wasn't bang on. Okay, and I think that's probably going to be it for the year. No, we've got another one on the 20th of December. 20th. And we're going short. Stop loss. At 200 pips away. Take profit at 130 and 250. Okay, and there's a losing trade at the end of the year of quite a big loss, 230. So what was that stop loss? Stop loss was 200. Yeah, so okay, fair enough. I'm minus 230, so a loss of 230 at the last bit of the year there. Yeah, cool. So that's 2019 back testing. Great British Pound, US dollar. Okay, going to add up all the pips that we've won for 2019, and obviously minus all of the ones that we didn't win. Okay, cool. So we've got the first trade, we had 100 pip win. Second trade, we had 130 pip win. Third trade, we have 450 pip win. Second trade, we had an 80 pip. Fourth trade, we had an 80 pip win. Fifth trade, we had 180. Then we had 460. Then we had our first losing trade of 120. Then we had a plus of 105, a minus of 120, a plus of 520, and a minus of 230. So for 2019, we won 1,555 pips. That's brilliant. Okay, so if we do like we've done with the others, a lot size of 1, so £7.80p per pip times 1,555 equals about £12,000. Okay, £12,129 you would have won for 2019 trading our system with a lot size of 1.0. That is just off trading the Great British Pound USD. Like I've said previously, we trade 28 currency pairs. So this is just one. Okay, cool.